Alright, let me try this again. This is a power window module for the Rabbit, which I'm going to be changing in a second. My module says that there is a code on this window, so I don't have the one up and down on this particular window. So I got this at the yard for a replacement and see if it works and fixes that code on this car. Let's see if I'm still recording. Yes, I am. This is from a 2009. Mine's a 2007, but I'm gonna do that because I thought it was the what do you call it? The door lock that was acting up, but apparently there's something else in here that will cause that problem. I didn't want to get the whole motor since the window works, so I'm just gonna swap this, which I didn't know you could do, but it's a weird looking piece with two terminals that go in here from the motor. So you'll see that in a second, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. So I'm just gonna put you guys right there. And there's one more T20 on the bottom. this shouldn't take too long. Gotta be careful not to break that. But I gotta take the motor out so I can get to that. And again, there's just oh, this one's a T25 actually. T30s are the handles right here. T20 and T25. So that's what that looks like. Should just pop right out. The 2009, these were white. 2007, these are black. They're just rubber pieces here. But that's what the motor looks like. Now I need to pop this out and compare it. And we're gonna do the same thing. The only difference is that this is a little stuck on here, so you gotta be really careful because it doesn't want to come out, even though you do push it. So we'll start from here. You gotta start from here because there's two tabs that go in here, so you gotta start from the bottom, which is kind of backwards, but that's what it is. If not, it won't pop out for whatever reason. Well, it does have the seal there. Let me show you. This is just a seal. It's a rubber seal, but over time it does get stuck because it's been there forever. So, but it works. It comes off. See, nice and slow. I'll try to get it out. Does take a little doing, but it comes out. There it goes. It's small. And you don't want to yank it out because you'll see there's see this? Wait, this way. If you just yank it straight out, this thing is gonna break. So it's gonna come out, let's see, this way, sort of like that. Gotta pop it up and then do it because you get those two little plastic tabs. Just a weird thing or component, if you will. So you gotta pop it out a little bit and then go the other way. Took me a while, but because I didn't know about the connectors, and well, see, that one just popped out. So let's take a look. So that's what the inside is. Just a two blades, and there are two connectors for the motor, which is kind of neat. And let's see, what do we got here? Again, these are two. Right. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, that one I got, it's painted. So I want to compare the models on this, the model numbers. They're two Bros, B-R-O-S-S, or S8. I'm not sure, it's hard to read that. The part number is 1K0959795E 0575750. So they have the same part number, even though one it's a 2007, 2009. So let me look at that. Relay, it says Omron ground 2 UK 12 volt, made in Japan. So they actually look pretty identical. Just trying to see if something's burned on it. I don't know what's going on with the code, if somebody was able to try to code something else or not, or it just went bad. I'll be honest, these two look identical, so this doesn't fix it. I don't know what will. Maybe somebody needs to really go into the coding and then really get rid of that. But I'm hoping it's just bad, because my one up and one down, it's not working. So let's go ahead and get this back. I'm just trying to give you guys an idea of what that looks like. So as you can see, these tabs are pretty fragile, so you gotta be careful not to push them too hard. But other than that, those are the connectors there, and that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and pop the other one that's marked. All we have to do first, we gotta pop that in there like that. Oh, so as soon as you do the tabs, it does slide out, so that's why it fell out, which is fine. So let's put this back. In order to do that, sorry, I'm on the wrong, too low there. So let's go ahead and pop that. Of course, I didn't do it correctly because I missed that. So I gotta back it up just a tad. So one little problem we have is this has two holes, this one doesn't. So I gotta make a hole in there. So I cut that. Alright, so looks like the other tab from the other one broke. So that's fine. And there you go. Gotta get those two aligned. Get that in there, and it just pops right back in. So it shouldn't move. It's all good. This tab I pulled a little too much, so. But other than that, it's not moving on any of them. As long as it's there, it's fine. good. Alright, moment of truth. So we have our one touchdown. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so still no one's touch up and down, but I need to clear the code. I'll clear the codes and we'll come back. So I'm scanning it. Put it down here. Well, I'll leave it there. Make sure I get rid of everything. Again. Look at that color. Spring is here. It's nice. So I got 4 codes. I don't know what that one is. That's a known. OBD. Should be pretty clear. Alright, so we got 5. Electronic Central Electric. I think that's going to be the door that I just did. Passenger doors electronics. That will be this one. So let's see what this is. Unknown fault code impossible signal. Alright. I think that might be related to that as well. Will be the interface. Fault code. Left rear door control module no signal. And the code number was 01333. So that's what I was getting before. So let's go ahead and erase the codes. Let me save them, or try to save them before. Can I save them? I don't want to look at them. I want to save it. Report. Okay, they changed this to creating diagnostic reports. So you got to print it before you can save. There's no more save. Where they used to have a save function, so that's kind of weird. Erase all codes, yes. So you can see, I don't know if the camera can catch this, everything is green. Yes, I want to quit. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let me go to the updates. So I got quite a few updates, but I don't want to do that just yet. Let me go through the window, turn these on, to see if we can get it to work. Alright. Okay, when you first set it, you have to bring it up, hold the button for about 3 seconds, and then that reprograms it. And look at that. One touch button, finally works. So that's the module that was not working. Now all the windows have that one touch, which is cool. I didn't have to reprogram anything. It was just the module, whatever somebody did, or it just died. So that's kind of nice. Whoops, that's not nice. Don't drop your scanner. So we have Hyundai, Renault, Fuso, Kia, Proton, Toyota update. Where's my Volkswagen update? So that I can check out the correct mileage. Where is it? Mazda needs it too. I don't see it. Oh, VAG group. Yeah, there's no update for that. So let's click on all of them, bring them down, and let it do it. But that's why I left the video running, so I can just edit one video later on anyway. So instead of having several videos, but there you go. See. So I need to update that, and we'll look at the mileage now to see if they updated that. Where I did change the settings to Imperial so that I could see the miles, or the mileage in miles, not kilometers. That's just what's used here in the US. So we're gonna look at that because I know there were other updates. So I haven't turned this on for a little bit. That's why there are more updates. I just got tired of doing every little one, so I just do it whenever I go and use it, so that I'm not constantly updating each one of them individually. But yeah, that's how you fix your one up, one down on your door. And as you can see, that was a problem on that module. Which is nice, because it's nice to have all the windows working with the one touch. That's kind of the other thing too. The 2012 Mazda only has the one touch for the driver's door. This is a 2007 VW, and it has a one touch up and down for all 4 windows, which is really nice. So although the transmission is still quirky for the mileage it has, everything else seems to be up and running again. It's just annoying to have all those codes when you try to scan it every time. So hopefully that's done for now. Alright, so in updates, any special functions? I don't see anything. Nope, nothing there. Alright, let's go back. Let's do a diag. VW, auto. Okay. Rabbit 2007. Sedan, BGQ. Diagnostic, let's do auto. Oh, I should turn it off. Well, I'm just scanning it, so I'm not doing anything. Just warming up the car. So I should not get that door problem anymore. I think all the other codes were related to that door or module, from what I can tell. Okay, battery's still good. I charged it last night because it's been down on this camera kind of old already, so I might put the other one in. I need a camera with a bigger battery. This thing doesn't last more than about an hour or 40 minutes or so. So when you get the cameras with the small cameras with 2 batteries, that means it just doesn't last that long. So make sure you get something that has a bigger battery. It's nice, but it's annoying having to recharge that every time. Right before you even finish what you're doing. Okay, alright, that went even faster now. Look, before it was taking forever. So everything, as you can see, is green on this car, even though there's still some minor items I need to look into. Well, but anyways, that's that for this video. I hope that helps.